Is OpenSSL Cryptography, Legacy 64-bit, crashing because of the OpenSSL Library 64.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. Let's use these professional steps to fix the runtime error. Before we begin the manual steps for OpenSSL Library 64, you can access a utility designed to help provide a clean system environment. This is the OpenSSL Library 64, the 64-bit implementation of the OpenSSL Cryptographic library. It provides applications with the encryption and hashing routines required for secure TLS connections. Missing versions prevent 64-bit web-integrated software from connecting to servers, citing an SSL handshake failure or library load error 006C0007B. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. If OpenSSL Library 64.dll is missing, it indicates a problem with your Windows system image. I suggest running sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a surgical repair of your core operating system files. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the OpenSSL Library 64 file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. Since a standard reboot didn't restore the system manifests, we need to perform a deep repair of the Windows image. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism /online//cleanup-image//restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces Windows to download a fresh master copy of the system manifests from Microsoft servers to replace corrupted source files that SFC can't fix on its own. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. A professional word of caution: many domains offering standalone OpenSSL Library 64.dll downloads are actually distributing modified binaries capable of logging keystrokes and compromising encrypted credentials. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. For users transitioning to structured maintenance, the link below references tools related to OpenSSL Library 64 and registry optimization. To support our technical team and receive updates on OpenSSL Library 64 resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.